frustrating when you're in the beginning stages of learning a programming language, and you get overloaded with these things called syntax errors, especially when you're learning programming as a beginner. And I know how frustrating it can be when you get stuck for minutes or even hours trying to solve these, what we call these so-called syntax errors, when it's something that it could be something so simple as like a missing semicolon or something that was mistyped. I understand it will get really frustrating as you progress through the course, but what you need to do when you're handling these syntax errors is you just need to take a breath, and that everything will be solved eventually. You have to go through understanding why the thing is breaking, or why it's not compiling, so that you gain the reference experiences of how you can solve it quickly in seconds the next time the problem happens. So don't be afraid of syntax errors of when they happen. When you get to the advanced stages of learning programming, syntax errors are actually not too bad, because it's actually the errors, the more advanced errors later that actually drive you nuts. Even as someone that works in the industry, syntax errors, yeah, they can get pretty annoying. But what's even more annoying is that when you write something, when you're writing a project, and it's over 1,000 lines of code, and it all runs and everything, and the thing doesn't even do what it does, even though you clearly outlined what it's supposed to do, but yet it doesn't do it. When you get to those advanced stages, that's when you feel like banging your head against a wall. Even right now, when you're having these minor syntax errors, you're going to feel like that you're banging your head against the wall, thinking, why did I mistype this, or why is this showing up? But trust me, over time they get simpler and simpler to fix. Attention computer science and engineering students. Are you tired of falling asleep in class while your lecturer spills out C++ gobbledygook? My name is Sahil Bora, and I'm the founder and proprietor of the C++ Better Explained website. What I'm offering you guys today is my 87-page book that outlines how to quickly and master the fundamentals of the C++ programming language. If you've been searching around for free YouTube videos that haven't made any sense at all, or free C++ tutorials online that have made you want to gouge your eyes out, my book will put all of that to rest today, because my book is written in a straightforward and direct manner using my learning tools such as Analogies for Dummies, visual code diagrams, and simple code documentation that will get you learning and understanding the C++ programming language in a matter of days. The book is $9, and what I want you guys to do is to click on the green button below and pick up a copy today. You will not regret this at all.